Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransparentTradingSolutions.com on a Tuesday. This is the 8th July. Very lackluster trading across the indexes. Let's get right into the charts and start there. Yeah, S&P, again, looks like it wants to roll over, but still not there yet. We had that interesting situation on Thursday where we had that big all-time high pop, gave it all back, and now we're actually below that somewhat. So overall, just very, very quiet trading, waiting for the next catalyst. Clearly, the tariff news is not really impacting the market that much at this point. I think until we break 62.20, 675, maybe some algos come in and kick in and take us down lower. But everything's kind of setting up for that. We got the VIX low at 16. We've got sentiment really extreme bullish, but we still need that signal, and especially at all-time high. Similar with the Nasdaq, you can see that just meandering about here in very, very tight ranges. How high the market will go depends on these underlying stocks, and in fact it's been a mixed bag with all of the S&P, especially the mega caps. Even today it's been a mixed bag. Not everything is up. Kind of half the stocks are down, half of them. Energy was up today due to possibly oil starting to creep higher. You can see oil is starting to edge a little bit higher, but the energy stocks really did well today. CVX looks like it's going to break out and so forth. Notable again today was copper. Big spike in copper prices due to Trump announcement that a 50% tariff is going to be placed on copper imports. What's interesting is, this is kind of a blow-off type of situation. We'll see if this actually pans out as a blow-off top. So that's the markets I would be looking at. Also, nat gas kind of been drifting lower here, coming into some really critical levels in the next few days. If it drops below 325 MBTU, I think we're probably headed right back down to 3 or even below that. So we'll see how that goes. And then on the grain markets, also very interesting levels right here in soybeans and wheat. Corn looks like it's headed back down to $4 a bushel. Aside from that, the metals, copper and platinum in a very tight range here. This is also due for, maybe another move and possibly lower if we can break below 1350, looks like. So aside from that, the dollar could be bottoming out. Also interesting today of note, rates continue to climb. 450 is really going to be the trigger for stocks. I think if we go above 450, we probably go lower. So that pretty much sums it up. Don't have a lot of data. We got inflation numbers next week and earnings kicking into gear. So I think it's going to be a quiet week overall. But starting next week, I think it starts heating up. And, going into August and September, those are the weakest months of the year. So we could meander here, maybe even rally into the end of the month and then probably get hit in August and September. So that'll be something to look forward to. Okay, have a great rest of your day. I also have a class coming up. Sign up for the newsletter. Give me a commentary and we'll go from there. Have a great week.